Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make a inverted fishtail. This is how it looks like. It's so cute. It looks kind of hard, but it's really easy. So the things you're gonna need is 2 pegs. I'm just gonna be using a monster tail. And then you're gonna need, you can have as many colors as you want on the inside and 1 outside color, or really just make the whole entire bracelet rainbow, but I usually like sticking out with the outside color. And this is a really easy bracelet, and let's get started. So the first step is to get your first color and cross it. And this is how it should look like. Then you're gonna get your next color. You also might need a hook. I'm gonna be using a hook because I usually like using hooks, so then it'll be easier to grab. And then take your next color. So now you're gonna get your hook. You're gonna take the bottom band. You're always gonna wanna have 3 bands on your hook, on your pins as possible. Now, you're gonna add your next color. And then, you're gonna take your bottom band again. So like that. I have like a certain order down here. I have silver, gray, blue, green, and then white. So I have a certain order that I go to. So you will also want to make like an order, unless you're just doing random colors, and then just like have it really colorful and rainbowy. You can get your next color, put it on top, and then you're gonna get your hook and take the bottom. And now, we have that. Add your white band. Or add your outside color on top. And now we're gonna start doing the inverted part. So what you're gonna do is get your hook and put it in, and then take the middle band and then so put it in, take the middle band, and then take the bottom band and then loop. Let me show you again. To make it a little more clear, put it in there, and then take the bottom band and hook. And now get your next color. Let me see my order and see what my next color is. So after my clear, it's my green. So you take your green, you put it on top, and you push down a little, and put it on top. And you're gonna put in your hook and invert. Put it in. Let me see if it could focus a little bit more. You put it in, and then you take it in. Try it again, and then take your bottom bands. It's a bit hard at first, but then you'll get the hang of it. Then you're going to do the same. Put it in. Take the bottom bands. And loop. It looks like kind of like a fishtail right now, but don't worry, it won't look like a fishtail the whole time. So now you're gonna get your white. Put it on top. Take your hook, put it in, and take the bottom band. Just like that. Then do the same to the other side. I'll show you 2 more times and I'll speed up the process of me making it a bit more bigger. I'll show you the last time. After that color, it is silver. Oops, silver. Put it on top. And now we're gonna invert. Put the hook inside and then take the bottom bands and loop. Now do the same to the other side. Put your hook in, take the bottom band and loop. Now I'll just speed up the process. I'll just bring it up a little bit. Take the other 2 pins, the other one, and then take it off the loom. And then you put it on the pin. Or you put it on the bands. So right now it kind of looks like a charm sample kind of thing. And then you just put it on here. And there it is.